Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend that you go back and watch the episode where we talked about baseball as America's favorite pastime. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is baseball originally from Spain? No, baseball developed in the United States, although it was inspired by English games. Did baseball become popular in the 1900s? Yes, it grew rapidly in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Is baseball only played in big American cities? No, it's played in both cities and small towns across the country. Was Jackie Robinson the first African American to play in Major League Baseball? Yes, he broke the color barrier in 1947. Did baseball become less popular during difficult times in U.S. history? No, it actually brought comfort and unity during hard times. Is baseball a very fast-paced sport like basketball? No, it has a slower pace and is more relaxed. Do Americans watch baseball mostly for the food? No, although food is part of the experience, people love the game itself. Is the phrase America's favorite pastime used to describe soccer? No, that phrase refers to baseball. Did families used to listen to baseball games on the radio? Yes, it was a popular way to enjoy the game together. Has baseball played an important role in American culture? Yes, it's deeply connected to U.S. history, identity, and values. Watch this video more than once to strengthen what you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you're always up to date with the best videos for learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.